Jim Shornal, and I'm the general manager here at Leicatex, and I've been with the company for over 17 years. If you're looking for a product which is made of steel, which can fit in your hand, and you're looking for high tolerance, great quality, and you need a couple million of those, Leicatex can make that for you. We're a precision manufacturer with high speed that can meet your needs.
We're based in London, Ontario, Canada, and we ship to 25 countries at least around the world. We have Health and Safety Month that we just went through, so we get to do fun things, but also encourage safety, learn more about different aspects of safety, mental health awareness, physical health, dehydration, things like that.
Our people set us apart. For one, because of the experience that we have people that definitely have adapted to a quality culture.
Plus nothing, minus a half a thou. Like for some of the grinding parts, some of the cut-off blades and knives are really have to be very accurate. If they're wrong, then it's like they can't be wrong. So, and if I think that maybe something went wrong, you have to say like right away.
It's rewarding. It's encouraging. There's a lot of new things to learn.
We have an EAP program and pension program that are offered for every employee, so that's nice for if you have problems or for your future to save for retirement. We have good benefits.
So safety at Leicatex is very important. We've always been a safe place to work, but over the years we've focused even more on it.
The best part of working at Leicatex would be the family-oriented team environment.
Part of the strength of our team is its diversity. We have many different backgrounds and lots of experience here at Leicatex.
Being world class in this type of manufacturing, it's really good. We do it better than anybody else.
A good feeling to know that you're number one.